When I asked Luxe Bidet to send me a bidet so I could check it out, the upgraded version from what we had, I was so happy that they responded. And this one is so much better. This is my honest review in exchange for the bidet. We are upgrading to the Neo 320 Blue model. And like before, we will be putting a water filter on it. Only this time, we'll have 2 water filters to install because there's hot and cold with this new bidet. All right, the bidet has been installed and it is working great. This is part of the Neo Plus line. This is the Neo 320. It looks very similar to the prior one we had, which was the Neo 185. Now let's take a closer look. Over here, where it's set is to rear. That is your default setting. If you want to change it to hit the feminine area, you would move it just like this. If you want to clean the nozzle, you would move it the other way. This lever controls the pressure. It starts at low and you just pull it up to increase it to the right pressure that you want. Then you would increase the temperature by moving it that way. So you might just want to have it on the default right here. The installation was pretty straightforward. It took us a little longer. I mean, it took my boo a little longer because we put a filter on. And as you can see, there was a hole that was drilled so we could access the water source. He did not complain. Now we'll transfer our previous bidet to our guest bathroom so everyone can experience a bidet. I don't know if you knew, Luxe Bidet is like the #1 bidet brand. They're headquartered in San Diego. And if you have an issue, any issue at all with your bidet, you can call up customer support and they will take care of you right from the US. And that's awesome too. Highly, highly recommend Luxe Bidet.